Welcome to No Nonsense Hosting. In this video, I will show you how you can change photos on your VRBO listing. Try and do this from a computer because phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into VRBO, just hover over to the top right section. You will see your name there. Click on that and then click on Owner Dashboard. That will take you to your owner dashboard. And on the listing, you need to go on the left-hand side panel, click on Property here, and then click on Edit Property. And on the next page, the second option you will see is Photos. Click on that. Once the photos have loaded, you will see there are three different tabs. The first one is Upload Photos. This is where you can upload new photos if you want. Keep in mind, there is a limit of 50 photos on VRBO. So you cannot have more than 50 photos at a time. And in case you want to upload new photos, you will need to delete some first. You can just go over to any image and you will see this delete option. You can simply click on delete and that will remove the photo from there. Now the second tab here is assign photos. You just click on that. This is where it will let you assign photos to each area or space in your property. For example, you can click on any bathroom and assign photos to that bathroom by clicking on select from your unassigned photos and just choose the photos that you want to assign to that area. Coming back, the last option here is edit photos. When you click on this, it will open up all the photos you have uploaded in your gallery. And this is where you can change the order of the photos. If you want to change your cover photo, let's say if you want to have this photo as our cover photo, just drag this to the first one and the first photo is always your cover photo. It is very easy. You can just keep changing the photos. Also, if you want to rearrange photos, you can just simply drag and drop them into the place where you want them. But keep in mind, the first photo is the cover photo. So whichever photo you want to be your cover photo, you can just drag that to the front. And it automatically keeps saving all the changes you are doing as you go. Once you've done all the changes and if you want to see how your listing looks, you can just click on Property, click on Property Details. And on the next screen, you will see this Property ID and there is a number. This number is actually clickable. Just click on that. And that will open up your listing where you can see the photos are currently assigned. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you need me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.